Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can install Node.js on Windows 11. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So after opening the PC, what you're going to do is go to the search bar and start typing nodejs.org. So after you have typed that down, tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Node.js. So in here, you can see there is the option of download node.js right here. Simply click on it. And then here you can see the download process has now begun. So here you can see the download process has been successful and all you have to do is open this file. So after opening the file, here you can see this pop up. Now click on next. And now what you're going to do is click on this button, which is the agreement of terms and conditions. And after doing so, click on next again. And in here, you can see the default is to be saved in your program files. You can change it by simply just clicking on this option and choosing where to save your node.js. So for now, I'm going to set it as default. So after all that, click on next. So if you want all of the necessary tools to be installed with Node.js, you can click on this option right here and then click on next. And what this is going to do is download and install all of the necessary tools within the Node.js. But for now, I'm not going to do so and simply just click on next. So in here, you can finally see the option of install right here. Click on it. And now the installation process has begun. And here you can see your Node.js has been successfully installed. And all you have to do is finally click on this option, finish. And yeah, that is it. Now you have successfully installed Node.js in your computer. You can go to your search bar right here and then search for Node.js. Here you can see this is the app and you can simply just open it. And just like this, you can see you have now successfully installed Node.js. And that is it. That is how you can install Node.js in your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.